Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eddie and this is Yesterday's Tomorrow. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started by creating your first project in DaVinci Resolve. So let's not waste any more time and let's dive into the tutorial. This is one of the first things that you need to know when you start learning how to do video editing. Not being familiar with the workspace inside of DaVinci Resolve can be extremely overwhelming, especially if it's your first time. I know that it was for me, but that's why I'm here to show you the things that you need to know in order to get started creating your own content inside of DaVinci Resolve. Alright, so we just opened DaVinci Resolve, and this is the screen that you're gonna come to. Now mind you, all of these that are up here, you won't have those. You'll just have the box right here that says Untitled Project. And the first way to start a project is you can just double click this one. Just like that, it's going to bring you into the cut page, and this is also where you're going to import your media. So for this, you're going to want to come up here to your file, and you're going to want to save project. I'm just going to name it Untitled and save it. And from here you can start building out your content. We're going to go back to the project manager, click on file, come down here to where it says project manager. This is going to bring you back to the same screen. Now there is a second way that you can do this. You can come down here and just click new project. Once you do that, you're going to be prompted to give your project a name, and you're going to go ahead and create it. And then the same thing, just want to come up here to your file, make sure you save your project, and you're ready to go to start building out your new content. So there you have it, a quick and to the point how to get started inside of DaVinci Resolve with your first project. We're going to be doing an entire series pertaining to DaVinci Resolve and everything that you need to know in order to start creating your own content. From audio and video to tips and tricks, I'm here to try to get you to that point just a little bit faster. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash the like button, as this helps the channel with the YouTube algorithm. It is also one of the key indicators to tell YouTube to push this content to more people. If you have any questions or feedback, make sure to drop it in the comment section down below. I love to engage with you, and it helps the channel create better content over time. And if you would like to see more content like this in the future, then consider subscribing and becoming a member here at the community. We would love to have you here. As always, I will catch you in the next video.